Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I've done a very quick little summer flower meadow, just because of the time of year really, and I wanted to have a bit of a practice with this pen. This is one of the set of Faber Castell pens that I got in the Pitt pen packet. I did a review of them at the time when I bought them, and I'll put the link to that up here, but this is one of the ones I've not really used at all because of the lack of control. So I did this as a bit of a practice to see what kind of lines I could get with it and how much control I could get with it. So it's not perfect by any means. There are a lot of bits of it I don't like, but I just wanted to have a go with this, and I actually quite like the fact that you can get a lot of variety of lines. You can get from very thin lines to these very dark lines here, and it can be a little bit expressive. So the reason that when I first bought it I wasn't over keen, because you can see how much give it it's got in it. It's very soft, so you really don't have much control over it unless you've practiced with it a lot. So that's why I wanted to do this, but it's very expressive. You can get some nice lines. So it's important to give you different pen shapes and your different nib shapes a go, because you can get all sorts of different shapes. So I just did it very, very quickly, more or less out of my head, because lots of these flowers are around and about at the moment, and they don't have to be anything specific. They can be imaginary flowers. It was just to get a feel of that jumble of flowers that we get at this time of year when everything's very overgrown and, you know, lots and lots of colour. So the colours I used were the Sennelier Travel set, and I just used them straight from the pan onto a very wet piece of paper, so they've got plenty of colour there. I'll now play the video of this, of me drawing it and then of putting the paint on. So basically with the paint it was just dropping colours into a very wet piece of paper. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll be back again on Monday with another tutorial or demonstration. Bye for now.